See, she is in the plant. And she's purring. And she's like marking her territory. You see this mess? See, I'll come in here and I'm like, where is the cat? And I can't find her. I'm calling her. It's because she's in the plant. Ma'am. Ma'am. Could you get out of my plant, please? And then she had a nerve to like jump on my bed and stuff. I'm like, you were out like literally in the dirt. Look at... And then she comes in the window. Tiny, you need a job. That's what you need. Okay? Don't come over here trying to mark my phone. You need to... See what I'm saying, y'all? See what I gotta deal with? Ma'am. Says she just ignores you. Excuse me, Tiny. Yes. What? It must be nice to be a cat. I mean, you get to hang out in the window all day, play in the plants that you don't belong in, eat, purr. Can you guys hear her purring? Listen, don't lick on me. You don't hear her? Your tongue is so rough. Don't lick on my phone, man. She's such a mess.